Okay, Frank, let me ask you. How many provinces in Canada?
10?
Okay, how many provinces in China?
23.
How many provinces in the Philippines?
I don't know. How many?
Believe it or not, 81. Abra, Kalinga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan and Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan and Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos, Norte, Ilocos Sur, Blanca, Tao, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Nalaban, Quezon, Zambales, Camarines Sur, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Sibuga, and del Sur, Albay, Zamboanga del Norte, there's Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every people in the world comes from one mountain. These are the Philippine provinces. There are 7,107 islands. Bawat province, Occidental, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, Occidental, Occidental, Siquijor Norte, Southern Leyte, South Cotabato, Catanduanes, Sultan Kudarat, Pangasinan, Misamis, Oriental, Iloilo, Nogon Samar, and the eastern one, Surigao del Norte and del Sur, Misamis, Occidental, Samar, Lanao del Norte and del Sur, Oriental, Mindoro and Rizal, Benguet, Antique and Marinduque, Dinagat Islands, then Romblon, Quirino, Apayao and Cotabato, Occidental, Mindoro, La Union. These are the Philippine provinces.